Guys, Bitcoin is breaking out almost at all-time high. Absolutely crazy. Great strong buy signal from the SMC bot. Congratulations if you took that. I posted this video 3 days ago or 4 days ago saying that we had a strong buy signal, and this doesn't show up very often. The last time this actually flagged up was January 24. Let me just play that clip for you. Guys, this signal just flashed for the first time in a very long time. We do not get these signals very often, and the SMC bot has flashed up a strong buy. Now, the last time this flashed up was back in January 2024. We had a strong buy signal down here. I think Bitcoin was around 40,000, and it went crazy. It went all the way up to 70,000, almost doubled in price. So absolutely amazing signals, and it's funny how this hasn't popped up since January 24, and we went on this absolutely insane rally, right? It almost doubled in price. Now, this target is quite bullish, right? So I don't want you guys to get carried away, all right? I'm not trying to create FOMO here, but I've drawn a line of the last time we had that strong buy. So when we had that strong buy, I've drawn a line to work out how big the move was and where it would take us if we repeated this exact move today, right? Now, this is where it would take us, okay? So don't get too carried away, guys. But 146 to 147,000 is roughly where it would take us if we repeated the same move we had the last time we had this strong buy signal from the SMC bot. Great signals as well by the SMC bot. Look at this down here, 25,000 all the way up to 48, and then again 41,000 all the way to 72,000. And we've only just had this signal and we're trying to push all-time highs here. What's interesting is that we got the strong buy signal and the price just really started to move up aggressively, right? So very, very similar to the last time. So every time we get this signal, I'm not going to fade this, right? Every time we get this signal, I'm going to take some very nice positions. And we've traded this, perfectly. Look at this, $70,000 in one single week. We took profits on our short. So if you're not following my Twitter, guys, follow my Twitter, because I posted here, when was this? On the 6th of August, so 5 days ago, saying all shorts are now closed. I've taken profits. You can see here I closed my BTC short, $8,000 in profit. And then I posted saying only in longs now, right? Let me just go back to this. Yeah, so I posted saying only in long positions now, and held those long positions open. And I'm still in longs. I'm long Solana, I'm long ETH, I'm long BTC. And, we're currently 406% profit at the moment. And I'm holding the rest open because I think we are going to see a lot of upside here as we still have this strong buy signal from the SMC bot. What I might actually do, guys, is I might just let it play out. I might let it play out and just wait until we get a sell from the SMC bot. Now, something I'm a little bit concerned about is there is 130k resistance, right? We know we have been bouncing up and down this resistance, and we've been taking huge trades here, right? Every time we came back down to this resistance, we've been taking huge trades. I think this is where we took the big BTC long. I did long some altcoins here, but this is where I took the big BTC long, and I think I made 250k. Remember, I take profits 100k. I took profits a little bit early. I think I took profits around 96k, but it was like 1,200% in profit. So I took some profits, and then this is where we bought the dip again. We took some shorts up here. We bought the dip again. We bought Sui down here, Ondo, loads of different altcoins down here, and took some more longs. And yeah, it's been a crazy ride. But every time we've come down here, we've pumped, and every time we've come to the top of this resistance, we have dumped. So, I'm not saying that's going to happen again. I'm just saying I have to short this level. I'm a trader, right? I have to long support down here. I have to long this level, and I have to short this level until proven otherwise. The trend is your friend. I short resistance and I long support, and this is a very, very big resistance. And I don't see many people talking about this resistance level here, okay? So if we do push up here, this was the move last time we had the strong buy, so 146, 147k. But I am going to short as soon as we touch this orange line, okay? Now, it could move like this, right? Let's take this out. The price could actually move around like this. So the price could do something like this, and it could take ages to get to this orange line. And hey, maybe we do get some confluence and they actually line up at the same time. Or we have an explosive move here like this, and we come up to 136k. We could even really do this, right? We could even do something like this. So nobody knows how it's going to play out, but yeah, we have our resistance levels. We have a technical target from the strong buy. We have a technical target for the orange resistance here that's been trending up for a long time. I really like this level. It's been consistent resistance for so long that I will take a big short here, guys. I will take a big short. I'm not saying that we even get here, right? We might not even get here. Another thing I'm going to be looking out for is these yellow candles. So last time we came up to this orange resistance, the SMC bot printed a yellow candle as well, which was extra confluence that we were going to have, a pullback and a correction, right? That's one of the other reasons we went into short positions, is because we came up to this resistance. We pumped so much, like we almost doubled in price. Usually you are going to have a cool down. And don't forget, if we do push up to this orange resistance, we would have went from 77k to maybe 130. We would again have almost doubled in price in a very short amount of time. So if we can get up to this orange level, how fantastic would it be to see a yellow signal from the SMC bot just for extra confluence? That would be really nice for us to come back and have some sort of a retest. Did we get yellows down here? We started to get some yellows here, right? A little bit of yellow. So it's not always consistent. The bright green is phenomenal. It's so much more consistent than the yellows, but I will take the yellows into account when I'm doing TA and looking for different bits of confluence. Did you take the long position, guys? Are you in a long position on BTC? Where do you think we're going? Where do you think the price is going? I'm staying in my longs for now. I've already taken some profits off the table. If you want to see my buy and sell alerts, so if you want to see all of the trades I'm taking, all of the calls I'm making, here you can see my trades. This is when we shorted the market, so 21st of January 2025. When did we short? 21st of January. It's probably up here somewhere. Yeah, look at this. 21st of January was here. This exact spike here, where we came back and we retested the orange line, is where we went short. 21st of January. And we went short on BTC 11x, Ethereum 4x, Sui 4x, Sol 3x. Everything dumped, everything crashed around this level, and then we came back here, and look at this. This is where we longed, right? We short resistance, we long support, and open long on Ethereum, 5 to 22x. Price was 1,787. I think today it's over $4,000. And this is where we took longs and started to flip bullish again, right? Long support, short resistance, very simple. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. And if you want to see those calls and you want to join us, head over to my X. So type this into X, into Twitter. That's going to take you to my page. Then click on this link, and then that will take you to another page where you can see my Patreon, and it's like an emblem. It's like a bunch of emblems. Press the Patreon emblem, and then you can jump in the Discord with us. And you'll also get this SMC bot in your own trading view, right? So you'll get all these buy and sell signals in your own trading view, and you can go in here and it snaps to grid. So whatever altcoin you want to look at, Aero for example, it snaps to grid. So you just literally load up the altcoin you want to look at, and if we go and have a look at Aero, it's just going to give you buy and sell signals, and it's really good. It's not 100% accurate, right? It's not going to get it right every time, but it's really good, right? When you go into an uptrend, you get a buy signal from the SMC bot, and this is your support. And look how accurate this is, guys. Like, I mean, even if you took a long here and it came back to support, I mean, you could take some profits and then take another long here, right? Take some profits, take another long here. It's so accurate how it comes back to this. Look at this yellow candle has hit well here for a top, yellow candle here for a top, yellow candle here for a top, and then back to the SMC resistance. I'm a swing trader, so I personally, when I get into a long, I just hold it usually until we get a sell signal, take profits, go into a short. When we get a buy, take profits, go into a long. That's how I trade, but I know a lot of people day trade. So what they do is they go into a long, they take profits, and then they get into another long here when we come back to support, another long here when we come back to support, another long here when we come back to support. That's how some people prefer to trade. And when you go into a sell, the same, instead of support, it flips into resistance, right? So when we come back here, they take a short. When we come back here, they take a short. And then when we eventually get a buy signal, they know you're in a new uptrend. So yeah, if you want to get that inside your own trading view, it comes free with the Patreon. So when you join the Patreon, you get access to the Discord and all the buy and sell alerts and all the updates and all the trades. But you also get the SMC bot for free in your own trading view as well. So head over there if you want to join us, guys. Don't forget to follow my X, because I do post some alpha on there, and the free Telegram. The Telegram's completely free. So join there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop in the comments what you're doing. I want to know what your price predictions are, where the top is. We're gonna start talking about the top of the market soon, because I feel like we're getting closer and closer. I did say that I expect it to happen between June and October. So we're getting closer, right? Where are we now? August, September, October. We're probably 3 months away from a potential top of the market, and BTC is starting to make moves. Like, we're getting closer to the top of the market, right? Especially if we start to have this rally up to 150. That's it for now. Don't forget, like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest. Until then, I'll catch you in the next one.